Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli here. Thank you for joining. I just wanted to quickly update you. I'm sure you heard about Tesla referral program. It's been around since 2012, and it had many versions and iteration and all that stuff. The latest one is if you use somebody's referral code. Every Tesla owner gets a referral code. If you use somebody's referral code, you will get 1,000 miles free supercharging, and the Tesla owner who you use their referral code will get that as well. I got close to 20,000. I'm gonna go pass it soon. So right now, middle of September, Tesla is running this 2 weeks referral code upgrade. So now you're not going to get 1,000, you get 2,000 electric free supercharging for your Tesla if you buy using somebody's code. So it's 2,000. It's the next 2 weeks, and it's great. It's really great. Free supercharging miles are amazing, really amazing. So hopefully, if you are thinking of buying a Tesla, hopefully you'll use my referral code. Thank you to all of those who did use my referral code already. There are many of you, and thank you. So I think that the reason they're doing it is because September is the end of quarter 3, and they want to boost purchases and deliveries of Tesla. So if you are in the market for buying a Tesla, please use my referral code. I appreciate it, and I thank you again for those who already used it, and you can win 2,000 free supercharging miles. Thank you guys.